A very good day to one and all. Now we are here to exhibit our project in MATLAB Student Challenge 2013. Myself, Arvind, and my friend Vijay Kumar are pursuing our bachelor's in Electronic and Instrumentation Department in RMD Engineering College, India. Our project title is Genetic Algorithm Based Design Optimization of In-Wheel Switch Reluctance Motor for Electrical Vehicles. Generally, a switch reluctance motor is used for electrical vehicles for its high speed and better performance in comparison to other motors. But the main disadvantage lies in the high production of high noise and undesirable torque ripples. In this project, we are here to optimize the in-wheel switch reluctance motor in minimizing the undesirable torque ripple conditions. The main objective of our project is to increase the average torque and decrease the torque ripple. The main multi-objective function considered here is optimal function equal to maximum of f1 of x and minimum of f2 of x, where f1 of x is the average torque and f2 of x is the torque ripple. The design variables considered here are stator and rotor pole arcs. The design constraints are taken from IEEE standard as a reference. The stator pole arc varies from 90 to 22 and as that of rotor pole arc varies from 22 to 26.
In order to carry out the optimization, we are using the Optim tool in MATLAB. In this coding, we are using the reference average torque and torque ripple from Magnet software, having design constraints as explained earlier. Here we are using the neural network trained by backpropagation in order to obtain the torque values in between the specified bounds. The flow chart for GA for our specific problem is shown. The bounds of the design variables are made using the design constraints. The GA parameters are initialized and the values will be in the upcoming slide. The average torque and torque ripple using the neural network based performance predictor. The fitness function is used to find out the best suited values. If it does not suit our needs, then the limits are modified. Now we are using the GA tool to obtain the optimized value from the predicted values of the neural network. Based on the fitness function, we are verifying the best suited values for our problem. We are using the Magnet software to obtain the torque values from the resultant optimized values of MATLAB. The values obtained are tabulated and the best suited values is selected by the number of repetitions and fitness value. The values are compared with the standard values and it is found they are better. As you can see in the tabular column, the values obtained for the optimal design is greater than the initial design. Using these values, we are designing an actual running motor and it is explained as given in the next.
Here we have designed a motor. For this purpose, we are using the timer to switch between the four phases of the motor. The auto transformer is used to supply the voltage in increasing manner. The speed of the motor is slowed in our case since we are using a switching which is only for microseconds. Since this is a DC motor, we are using the rectifier to convert to AC to DC voltage. Yeah.